So one thing I get a lot of questions on is from nonprofits and what are the legal concerns that they need to be worried about as they're either getting started out or just working through the business in general. So one thing I always tell nonprofits is that running their business is similar in a lot of ways to a for-profit. You're still bringing in money in one form or another from some sort of source, whether it be grants, donations, fundraising, what have you. So if you're using employees, volunteers, whatever the case may be, you're starting to see a lot of the same issues you would see in a for-profit business. So in that sense, a lot of the legal issues would be the same. One thing that you have to be very careful of, though, is making sure that you set up your corporate formalities correctly. You file for the tax exempt status with the IRS, and that you're managing sort of the upkeep of the entity itself in terms of, are you having the board meetings you're supposed to be having? Are you documenting decisions correctly? Are you making sure transactions are done at an arm's length if you're dealing with any directors, things like that? So it's important to stay on top of managing the formalities of a company if you're running a nonprofit.
Make sure you subscribe, like, and add your question to the comments. We look forward to helping you on your entrepreneurship journey to build a feasible, sustainable, and profitable business. So subscribe, and we will see you once again next week.